Hello, this is Troy for Ancient Cartography. Today I'm going to explain the hooked X. I sent this information to Scott Walters of History Channel because he had done a book on it and I've heard a lot of things about it and nobody's explaining it, so I thought I would go ahead and share it with you. What we're going to do is show you that this is an aerial, and when you see it, it's talking about a place. Okay? Let's go. I'll show you this place. Alright, here's a picture of America, and as you see, there's the bottlenose of Mississippi. Here's Tennessee, and I've cut out a square and put it right here. See the hooked X? Let me get it over here for you. See if we can see it a little better. You can do this at home, get your own satellite imaging, but there's a C right there, and then there's a mark right there. Okay? Just showing some details of the hooked X, okay? So you'll know the aerial. See the C? The little mark right there? And then this here? Kind of looks like a skull if you look at it, or some kind of something like that. But anyhow, that's what that is. Now, what I want to do is show you what we found geographically at this area and at this area. First we'll go to this area. Okay? We found an ancient temple, and on this temple wall you can see the face color right there. There's an old man with a beard, white hair. He's standing there with a staff with a skull on it, and at the bottom is a dragon head, a stone dragon head with nostrils and eyeballs, and he's showing you something. Right here is a right hand holding a head. You can see it: eyeball, nose, mouth, chin, and a headband. Now what we want to do is tell you they're saying that they went to the right hand. You know, when Apostle Paul was asked what happened to Jesus, he told him he ascended up to the right hand. Ascending up means geographically you slope north to a geographical area, the right hand. Okay, so let me show you the other point. Okay, we found this at the other point, an ancient temple, and we've done a lot of research on it, but we'll just go on. This face is found on the bottom of the gold bowl that all the experts says is Solomon. Let's go inside. Right inside the door, if you can see, there's a right hand right here. See his thumb and his four fingers? And you can see the writing and markings. What it's doing is saying that they went to the right hand. And inside this cave is Hebrew writing on the wall of it. Okay? Here, let me show you another map, a couple of them. They're all over the place that tells you about this right hand. See the bottlenose of Mississippi? Well, there it is again in this painting, and you go over to this triangle. Okay? Same thing on a hidden room in René Chateau in southern France at the Church of Mary Magdalene, where this painting is. There's a red triangle across from the bottlenose. Alright, well, let me show you what we found there. And there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look, you'll see there's that little head with the headband. See? I'll blow it up in a minute, but I want to show you something. There's 5 steps here and this little man. If you look at Machu Picchu, okay, like if you delay in the snow and get up and see a body laying there, look at Machu Picchu like that, and then look to where his right arm is, and you'll see 5 steps and that little man. Okay, so all the maps in the world and wonders are pointing to these places and these temples, okay? And that's what the deal is right there. So anyhow, if they marked it right here, if you turn this sideways, you can see there's a skull engraved here, and you go straight across, you will see the stone dragon head that's on the wall. Okay, and then there's the marks of David, and there's his throne room, and I can show all these details. There's a star that's on this as well. But I just wanted to point out a lot of these details. More than anybody's ever found, we have it. But anyhow, I wanted to take a minute and show you. Now you know what the hooked X is about and what it means. You heard it first right here. This is Troy for Ancient Cartography. Have a great day.